Hi students, let's see mod. It is from statistics. Normally it is our exercise 14.2. Ready? But before doing the exercise, let us see what is mod. Mod is a set of data values. What is that? It is a set of data values. It is the value that appears most often. It is the value that appears. It is the value that appears most often. Ready? Okay. So let's see mod some of the equations. Ready? And before that, make sure that you are subscribing this channel to get the balanced videos. Okay. Let's start the work now. Mod. Equation you should know first. Mod equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is that? Mod equals L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Ready? Don't forget, you should not read as FO because 1, 2, 3 comes in automatic, it will be F0. Okay? So, after that, where L is the lower limit of the model class. What is that? L is the lower limit of the model class. H is the size of the class interval. H is the size of the class interval. And F1 is the frequency of the model class. F1 is the frequency of the model class. And F0 be the frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding means just above. Preceding, before. Got it? Preceding the model class, and F2 be the frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Succeeding means after that, straight after or just after this. That is succeeding. Ready? Preceding means just above, just before. Ready? So when we do the exercise, you will understand more clearly this one, but make sure that you are by hearting this one. What is that? Mod equals L plus, F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay? Ready? Let's start the exercise. Let's see now exercise 14.2, question number 1. I'll read the question once. The following table shows the age of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. And the table is given. I'll read the table once. Age in years. 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. And after that, number of patients is given, that is 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Now, find the mode and the mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measure of central tendency. So, what do you want to do here? In this question, we have to find out mode and mean. Okay, let's start the work now. First, mode. Mode means what you will do? Yeah, we know that the highest frequency will take first. Ready? So, what is the highest frequency here? See, among this, the highest frequency. We know that number of patients is called the frequency. Number of patients are the frequency. That means 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Here the highest frequency is 23. Ready? Corresponding to which class? 35 to 45. Ready? So this 35, this will be the lower limit, that is L. And again, the preceding to this highest frequency, that is what? 21, this will be F0. And the highest frequency will be taken as F1. And the succeeding frequency, that will be F2. One more time. The highest frequency among the frequency we taken as F1. Ready? Which is belongs to 35 to 45, and then 35 to 45 is the model class, and this lower limit will be L, and the preceding frequency will be F0, and straight line, that highest frequency will be F1 and succeeding frequency will be F2. So let's start the work now. Here, the maximum frequency Here the maximum frequency is corresponding to the class. Which class? Yeah, 35 to 45. Therefore the model class is what is the model class? 35 to 45. Ready? And now we'll write the value of h. H means class interval. See the class interval. Class interval means h equals upper limit minus lower limit, or here you can take 45 minus 35. So 45 minus 35, what you will get? 10. 10, isn't it? That means h will be 10. And ins, what you will do? From the model class, the lower limit, that means 35. And we got it, the value of f0. What is that? 21, f1, yeah, 23, f2, 14. Now what will you write? We know that mod equals, what is the equation? Yes, L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. See, what is the equation? Mod equals L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Let's put the values here. What is the value of L? 35. So 35 plus f1, 23, minus f0, 21, divided by 2 into f1. 2 into f1 is 23 minus f0, 21 minus f2, 14, isn't it? 14, 1, 4. Into, what is the value of h? Which is 10. Ready? This equals 35 plus 23 minus 21, 2. That is 2 into, see, this is multiplying. Multiplication, if you want, you can write in the numerator. That means into 10 will write in the numerator, divided by 2 into 23, yeah, 46 minus. See, 21 and 14, both are negative numbers. 21 and 14, both are negative. So, minus into minus, what you will do? Plus, that means 21 plus 14, how much you will get? 35. Ready? This equals 35 plus 2 into 20, sorry, 2 into 10, 20, divided by 46 minus 35. How much you will get? 11, isn't it? Ready? Now we will divide it. 20 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11. Balance is 9. Put 1.0. Now 8 11s are 88. Balance is 2. 2 means 20. Now 1 time 11. We got it? 9. 9 means 90. Now 8 times. How much? 88. Ready? That means what you will do here? Equals 35 plus 1.82. Actually we got here 1.818. But we know that if you look the last term, see after digits, we are taking 3 digits. See after point, we are taking 3 digits. After that, the last digit will check. If it is more than 5 or more than 5, we'll add it 1 here. Ready? If you add it 1 here, you can remove this. That means what you will do? 1 plus 1, 2, 8.1. That means what you will write? 1.82. Ready? This equals. Now what you will do? We have to add it this. 35.00, 1.82. We'll add it now. 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 8, 8 point. 5 plus 1, 6 and 3. That means we'll get 36.82. That means this is our mod. Ready? Let's see now mean from the same question. So first age in years, that will be class. After that number of patients, that will be frequency. Of course we need to know class mark because we are doing mean. Ready? So we need class mark. After that UI because we are going to do step deviation method. After that FI UI. Ready? First one, the class, that means age is given 5 to 15. 15 to 25, it will continue. Ready? From here, what you will do first? We will make class mark. How to make class mark? We will add these two. That means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That means 15 plus 5 by 2 equals 20 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. 10. That means 10. So we got it 10. Ready? Next what you will do? 25 plus 15. 25 plus 15 divided by 2 equals 40 by 2. We'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Now 0 will write. That means 20. So we got it 10, 20. Next will be 30. Anyway, we will do one more time. What is that? 35 plus 25 divided by 2 equals 60 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. That means we got it 30. So 10, 20, 30. What will be the next? 40, 50, 60. I hope you can understand. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So we got it now. Class mark. Ready? So from the frequency, let us find out the total. That means sigma Fi equals. What is the total here? Yes. How much? Add it alone. 80. You should do it alone. Okay. Now we got it the value of h. Class interval. What is that? 10. If you have doubt, 20 minus 10 or 30 minus 20. How much you will get? 10. So h equals 10. Ready? Sigma Fi we got it. Total frequency. We got it 80. Now what you will do? UI. So I am going to take A. Middle term. That is your wish. Any of the term you can take. Anyway, I am going to take A as 40. 30 or 40 you can take. Just I am taking 40. That's up to you. Which number you want, you can take as A. Assume to mean. Ready? So I am taking 40 as A. Now we know that if you take A as 40, how can you find out the value of UI? UI means UI equals xi minus A by h. Equals, what is the value of xi? 10 minus A. What is the value of A? 40 by h. What is h? 10. 10 minus 40 or 40 minus 10? 30, isn't it? But of course, minus 30 by 10. 0, 0 will cancel, we'll get minus 3. So we are going to get here minus 3. Anyway, we will use one another method which I told already. What you will do? Straight A, we will put 0 and after that we will write upside minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and downside will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, I hope you know that. Please make sure that you are watching the previous video to study mean. Ready? So 1, 2, 3 here. First A straight we will keep 0. After that upside minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Is it okay? 1, 2. I am keeping. But make sure that if you have doubt here, you have to go through this step. Ready? But it will spoil your time. Now, next one. What you will do? Fi UI means, yeah, these two will multiply, isn't it? So, what is Fi here? 6 into UI minus 3. So, 6 3s are 18 minus 18. Next step. 11 into minus 2 equals minus 22. Now 21 into minus 1. 21 into minus 1 equals minus 21. Next step 23 into 0. 0. Next step 14 into 1. 14. Now 5 into 2. 5 into 2 equals 10. Now all the negative numbers will add it together. Positive numbers will add it together, isn't it? That means just add it. How much you'll get? Yes, 61. Of course it should be minus. Now add this to what you'll get? 24, isn't it? So plus and minus, what you'll do? Minus 61 minus 24. So how much you'll get? Yes, 11 means 11 minus 4, 7, and 5 here means 37. So we got it now. Sigma Fi Ui equals, how much you got? 37. But we know that the bigger number is 61 is minus. So the answer is minus 37. Ready? Now we got it. Sigma Fi Ui. Now what you'll do? You'll write. We know that by step division method, mean x bar equals, what is the equation? Yes, a plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into h. I hope you know the formula. So what is the value of a? Yeah, we got it 40, isn't it? So 40 plus sigma Fi Ui minus 37 divided by sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is 80 into h 10. Ready? Now 0 0 will cancel. Balance 40 plus into minus, minus 37 by 8. Now what you will do? We will divide it. 37 divided by 8. 8 how many times? 4 8s are 32. Minusing, that means we will get 5. Now point will put 0. Now how many times? Yeah, 8 6 are 48, isn't it? Now 20. 20 means how many times? 2 8s are 16. Now balance is 40. 40 means, yeah, 8 5s are. Ready? So we got it now. This equals 40 minus 4.625. Ready? Equals 40 minus 4.6. See, the last number is 5. 5 or more than 5, we have to add 1 and we can remove the 5. Means in place of 2, what you can write? 3, because it is 5. So removing this 5, we have to add here 1. That means 2 become 3. So now we'll subtract. Ready? We'll minus it. I think I'll do here. So what is that? 40.00 4.63. We'll subtract. We'll carry from here. Here will be 9. Here will be 9. Here will be 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. And here will be 3. See, we got it. 35.37. Ready? So we got it now. Median, and before we got it, mean. These are the central tendencies. Ready? Let's see the next question. Question number 2. I'll read the question once. The following data gives the information on the observed lifetime in hours of 225 electrical components. The table is given. So lifetime in hours is given, that is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Again, frequency is given 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. What do you want? Determine the model lifetime of the components. What do you want? Determine the model lifetimes of the components. Ready? Means we want to find out mod. Ready? So already the lifetime is given. 0 to 20, 22 is given, isn't it? Now from here, what is the difference in between that, or the class interval? What is that? See, 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80. What is the difference here? Yeah, h equals 20. How we got that? Second minus first. That means 20 minus 0. Otherwise 40 minus 20. So we got it, h equals 20. Ready? Now let us see the highest frequency. See 10, 35, 52, 61, 38, 29. Which is the highest number? 61. Isn't it? So what you will write? This is the maximum frequency. 61. So which falls on this class. That means the corresponding class is 60 to 80. Here, what is the value of L? Lower limit 60. And its preceding number, frequency, this will be F0. And the highest frequency, the maximum frequency will be the F1. And the succeeding next number will be F2. Ready? So we'll write first. Here, the maximum frequency is here the maximum frequency is 61 corresponding to the class. What is the class? 60 to 80. Therefore the model class is is 60 to 80. Ready? So we got it, the model class. Now what will write? And what is the value of h? We wrote before 20. And what is the value of L? Lower limit in the model class? Yes, 60. And what is the value of F0? Yeah, maximum frequency we got it 61. So its preceding frequency, what is that? Yeah, 52. And again F1, that is the maximum frequency, that is 61. And F2, the succeeding frequency, that is the succeeding frequency. What is that? Yeah, 38. Now we'll write, we know that means you already studied, don't forget. Okay, so mod equals L plus, yeah, please tell the equation, F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Ready? This equals the value of L 60. So 60 plus F1, 61 minus F0, 52 divided by 2F1. That means 2 into 61 minus F0, 52 minus F2, 38. Into, what is the value of H? 20. Now what will do? We'll simplify. 60 plus 61 minus 52. How much is that? 9, isn't it? So 9 into, this 20 is multiplying, so you can write in the numerator, that means into 20 divided by, now 2 into 61, 61 2s are 122. If you have doubt, please multiply. Minus, because 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Ready? Minus. Now these two numbers are minus, 52 and 38. So these two will add it. 52 plus 38. What will get? Yes, 90, isn't it? That means we will get it 90. Ready? So we will write, because these two are negative numbers. So these two will add it. That means minus 90. Ready? Equals 60 plus 9 2s are 18. That means 9 into 20 will get 180 divided by 122 minus 90. How much will get? 32. If you have doubt, please subtract. Ready? So 32. Now we will divide by, or we will cancel by 2. Now let's cancel by 2. 2, how many times 18? 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18, and this 0 will write upside. So I am cancelling by 2. So same here, we have to cancel by 2. 2 1s are 2. From 3 we took 2. Balance is 1. 1 and 2. That means 12. 12 means 2 6 are. Again we can cancel by 2. 2 4s are 8. From 9 we took 8. Balance is 1. 1 means 10. 10 means 2 5s are 10. Ready? Same way we have to cancel in the denominator by 2. 2 how many times? 2 8s are 16. So we got it now. 60 plus 45 by 8. Ready? Now let's divide it. So 45 divided by 8. 8 5s are 40, isn't it? So we got it 40, and then balance 5. Now we can. So what we'll do? Point and 0. Now how many times? 6. 6 8s are 48. Minusing 20. Now 2 times 16. 8 2s are, isn't it? Now balance is 4. 4 means 40. 8 5s are 40. So we got it now. How much you got? 60 plus 5.625. Ready? So what will do? 60.000, because 3 is there, plus 5.625. We'll add it. 5 to 6 point. 0 plus 5, 5, 6. So we got it now. 65.625. If you want, you can write this way. Otherwise, you can correct it one more. What is that? Yeah. 65.6 in place of 2. What you can write? 3, because the last number is 5. So if you want, you can remove the 5 and you can write here 3. Okay. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. I'll read the question once. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Of course, the table is given. Let's see the table. Expenditure is given in rupees. 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000. It continues, and after that number of families is given: 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 16 and 7. Ready? First what you will do? We will find the mod. After that we will go for the mean. For mod, we don't want to make any extra columns. So what is given is already expenditure and number of families. From here itself we will do the mod. See here in the frequencies. Let's say the highest frequency. See, among this, which is the highest frequency? Yes, 40 is the highest frequency, isn't it? So which is belongs to the class 1500 to 2000. So L will be 1500, and its preceding, this will be F0, and the highest frequency will be F1, and succeeding will be 33, that will be F2. Ready? Of course, we will find out the value of H. Class interval H equals, see, 1000 to 1500. So to find out H, what you will do? H equals second, that means upper limit minus lower limit, minus 1000. When you subtract, what you are going to get? 500, isn't it? So H equals 500. So we got it. H equals 500. Ready? Now we will write here the maximum frequency is what is the maximum frequency? 40, corresponding to the class interval What is the class? 1500 to 2000. Therefore, the model class is, therefore the model class is 1500 to 2000. I think this is 2000. Ready? And what is the value of H? We got it, 500. And the value of F0, 24. F1, 40. F2, we got it, 33. Ready? And of course, L, we got it. What is the lower limit? 1500. So what do you write now? We know that mod equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H equals, what is the value of L? 1500 plus F1 40 minus F0 24 divided by 2 into F1. F1 is 40 minus F0 is 24 minus F2. What is F2? 33 into, what is the value of H? 500. Ready? This equals 1500 plus 40 minus 24, 16, isn't it? So we got it, 16. Now this into 500 outside, that means we can write in the numerator. So into 500 divided by 2 into 40, 2 4s are 8, that means 80. Minus, what you will do, these two are minus, minus into minus plus, that means what you will do, 24 plus 33, that means 57. Is it okay? So 57 minus. Ready? This equals 1500 plus 16 into 500 means 16 5s are. Doubt means you will multiply, otherwise 5 6 are 30, isn't it? So 0, 3 in hand. 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. That means 16 5s are 80. And 2 more zeros because 500. So we got it, 8000 divided by 80 minus 57. See, 80 minus 57, how much you got? Subtract alone, so 23. Ready? Now we'll divide it. That means what you'll do? 8000 divided by 23. 23 into how many times? 80. So 23 3s are. Ready? So 3 times, how much you'll get? 69. If you have doubt, you have to multiply. 23 into 3, we are going to get 69. Ready? Now minusing. 10 minus 9, 1. Now 8 means 7 here, isn't it? That means 7 minus 6, 1. Now we'll bring down 0. Ready? 110. 110 means 23 into 4. How much will you get? 92. Doubt means please multiply. So I'll write here 92. That is how many times? 4 times. Ready? Subtracting. 10 minus 2, 8. Now the balance is 10. 10 means 1, 18. Ready? Now this 0 will bring down. That means 180. Isn't it? 180. 180 means 23 7s are 161. So 23 7s are 161. That means 7 times 161. Ready? Now we'll minus it. 9 1. Now what you'll do? We can't do, so put one point and 0. Ready? Now 190. 190 means 23 8s are. You'll multiply. So 23 8s are 184. Ready? That means 184. How many times 23? 8s are. That means 0.8. Subtracting, we'll get 6. 6 means 60. 60 means how many times? Yeah. 23 into 2. That means 46. So 2 times 46. We'll subtract. What will get? 4, 1. That means 140. 140 means how many times? Yes, 23, 6. 23 into 6. Ready? You have to multiply actually. So 23 into 6, 138. Ready? So 138 will write here. How many times? 6 times. 138. We'll get 2. Ready? So this equals, we'll write 1500 plus 347.826. 8. See? Here we got it 0.826. The last number is more than 5. More than 5 means if you remove this 6, what will do? 82 will become 83. Why? Because the last number is more than 5. So decimal, if you correct it, if you correct the decimal, the last time more than 5 means we'll add it 1 here. Means 82 will convert into 83. Because the last time is more than 5. That means what we'll write? 83. Ready? This equals. Now we'll add it this. That means 1500.00. Yeah, 347.83. We'll add it. 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 7, 7. 0 plus 4, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. And 1. That means we got it. 1847.83. So you got it? Mod now. Let's see now mean. We know that expenditure, that will be class, is already kept, and number of families, that is frequency, that is already given in the question. So from the frequency we'll find out total. That means sigma Fi equals, how much you'll get? Just add it. Yes, 200. Ready? After that what you'll do? Class mark. Class mark means upper limit plus lower limit divide by 2. That means 1500 plus 1000 divided by 2. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That means what you'll do? 2500 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. From 5 we took 4. Then balance is 10. 10 means 2 5s are. Then this 0. Means 1250. So first we got it 1250. Ready? Second what you'll do? Yes. 2000 plus 1500 divided by 2 equals 3500 divided by 2. We'll cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Now 15. Isn't it? So 15 means 2 sevens are 15. Now the balance is 1. 1 means 10. 2 5s are 10. That means what you'll get? 1750. So the next is 1750. See the difference. What is the difference? 1750 minus 1250. What is the difference? 500, isn't it? See, 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000. So the difference is 500. That means you are getting class interval H equals 500. So we got class interval H is 500. That means what you will do? You got it already the first step. 1250 plus 500. What you got it? 1750. That is the second class mark. Now the third one what you will do? Just add it 500. Means get, yeah, just we'll add it 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 2, 1 in hand, that means 2. So we got it 2250. Ready? Next what you'll do? Plus 500. Ready? That means what you'll get? 2750. Ready? That means we'll get 2750. Next will be, just I am writing now 3250. Next will be 3750. Next will be 4250. Next 4750. Is it okay? From here we can find out the value of A. A equals the middle term. Middle term which you are going to take any one of this. but I am just taking this one. What is that? 3250. That means A equal 3250. Now UI means what you will do? I am not going to write the full step, but anyway, UI means UI equals xi minus a by h. If you want, you can do it, but better in exam time, no need to do that. But you should know how to do this. Ready? So UI equals xi minus a by h. Ready? Now what you will do? Straight A, what you will write? 0. Upside you will write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Downside you will write 1, 2, 3. Always in the case of step deviation method, UI will be same. Any question. Ready? That means you will write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here we will write 1, 2, 3. Okay, next step. Now FI UI means frequency. 24 into minus 4. See this 2. Isn't it? So what you will get? We will multiply. 4 4s are 16. 1 in hand. 4 2s are 8 plus 1. 9. 96. Minus 96. Otherwise 24 into 4 you multiply and check it. Ready? Next step. 40 into 3. 40 into minus 3. 4 3s are 12. That means 120. Of course minus 120. Isn't it? Next step. 33 into 2. 33 into minus 2. That means minus 66. Next step. 28 into minus 1 equals minus 28. Now 30 into 0. 30 into 0, that is 0. Next step. 22 into 1. 22 into 1 equals 22. Next 16 into 2. 16 into 2 equal how much? 32. How doubt means? Do it alone. Okay. Now 7 into 3. Yeah. 7 into 3 equals 21. Now what do you do? All the negative numbers will add it together. Positive numbers will add it together. Ready? All the negative numbers adding. What you will get? Yes. 310. Of course we know that is minus. Ready? Now what you will do? All the positive numbers will add. How much you will get? 75. Now plus and minus. What you will do? Minus. That means 310 minus 75. We will minus it. From here we will bring. Then 10 minus 5. 5. Here will be 10. 10 means 3. And now here will be 2. Right. That means we got it. Sigma Fi Ui equals 235. But we know that the bigger number is minus. So the answer is minus 235. Is it okay? Now we will go for mean. We know that by step deviation method, mean x bar equals a plus sigma Fi Ui by sigma Fi into h. Ready? This equals, what is the value of a? 3250. So we will write 3250 plus sigma Fi Ui, that is minus 235. That is minus, so put in bracket, divided by, what is sigma Fi? 200, isn't it? So 200 into, what is the value of h? 500. Ready? Now numerator and denominator, 1 0 1 0 will cancel. Again 1 0 1 0 will cancel. Ready? So these zeros will cancel. Now equals 3250 plus into minus minus. Now what will do? 235 into 5. Better to multiply and write. So 235 into 5. Ready? 5 5s are 25. 2 in hand. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2. 17, 1 in hand, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. Ready? That means we got it 1175 by 2. Ready? This equals 3250 minus. Now we will divide 1175 by 2. Ready? 1175 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. Balance is 1, so 17 will bring down 7, isn't it? then 2 8s are 16. Now balance 1, then 5 will bring down, means 2 7s are 14, balance is 1. Put 1.0, that means 5 2s are 10. So we got it 587.5. Now we have to minus it. So let's subtract this. That means 3250.0 minus 587.5. We'll subtract. So we can't do, we'll bring from here, it will be 4, it will be 9, and this will be 10. Ready? 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 4 minus 8 can't do, we'll carry from next, that means 14 minus 8 is 6. Now here will be 1, 1 means 11, 11 means 11 minus 5, 6. Now here will be 2. Ready? That means we got it, 266, 2.5. That is your mean. Okay. So you will be subscribing this channel to get the balance answers. Okay.